Hey everyone, it's Sebastian Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to talk about Facebook Answer Tool. The Facebook Answer Tool is a good way to get engagement on a post, and it is used to give automatic answers or information on a post. It can be used to give out discounts, links to a special event, maybe a downloadable file. By making people comment on the post, it increases the popularity, so Facebook is going to share that post even more with more people. That way you can get more engagement. So now let's go to our dashboard, and we're gonna add the app because since we haven't used it, we need to go in and add it. So we go to the social media, find the Facebook chatbot, and we're gonna add it to our dashboard. Then go to the dashboard. And there you go. So there we have it. We're gonna go in. All right, so the first time we gotta hit continue. It's gonna make us connect the tool to our Facebook. So we're gonna agree to the terms. We're gonna select the pages that we want. In this case, I don't want Gravity Sports because I don't use that anymore. So I'm gonna deselect it, and all the other ones are good. And hit next. We're gonna agree to the terms. It's telling me that the tool will have access to the pages. They can manage access to the messages for each page. So I can say yes or no. And okay, so the tool has been linked to my Facebook account. I'm gonna click on this little link that gives you some good information on the settings that we can maybe change later if we need to. So I'm gonna take a look at it. So this page tells me that these are the tools that I've assigned to my page. I can remove them if I want to. I've added MailChimp before. This one's the AutoAnswer from Builderall, and it's active, and I can choose to remove it if I want to later in the future. Now we're gonna import the new pages. This is gonna pull all the pages that you gave access to, and there you are. And then I'm gonna add the page. So the BA Nation is added and it's calculating. If you want to add another one, you can just hit the refresh token and it'll add it. So I'm going to come over here and hit click on view posts. And what this does is that it pulls all the posts that you have in your page. That way you can use one of them to apply the auto response. So I'm going to scroll down and see if there's anything that I can use. And doesn't look like there's anything that I want to use for the autoresponder. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the page and just create a new post. So I'm gonna go over here, create a new, let's add a photo, and let's see, a picture. Let's get some text, and I'm gonna copy here, and I'm gonna paste it over here. All right, so we got a post ready, and I'm gonna share it. All right, so we got the post uploaded, and I'm gonna go back to Builderall's Facebook chatbot, and now we're gonna refresh the page. It's gonna pull up all the new stuff. And I'm gonna view posts again. So now I can see the last post that I just created, and I'm gonna select this one to start creating the auto response. So we can select the condition, and one of the conditions could be consist of, or not consist of, the equals to, not equals to. So on the post, I told people that they needed to type join as the comment. So I'm looking, the condition is that the comment is going to be equals to join. So anybody that types join is going to get this following message. So I'm going to say hi, and I'm going to use this parameter. It's going to replace the first name by the first name that they have on Facebook automatically. And so let's see. So hi, their first name. You love the webinar, the new Builderall 3.0, and let's see, we're gonna send them the link. So here's the link, and for this is the registration of the webinar, and then let me grab the link. I'm gonna post it in here. All right, and then we can also have an option to answer only once to each person. Maybe have a delay. Normally it takes a few seconds anyways to get another response, so I normally set up to no. You can set it up to second level comments, and that's when people post a comment on somebody else's comment, and answer only once. So anybody that goes on the page, types the join in the comment box, they'll get this auto response. So let's go through the rule again. So you can have a condition. If you select this option, it means that you're only going to respond to people that follow the comment rules that you set up. If you don't click on this condition, then it means that you're going to automatically answer to every comment that goes into that post. Next, you're going to type the text, and then you can use the replacement words. The first name and last name are the options, and that's going to pull up the first name and last name that are on Facebook for that person. The delay, you can set it up to delay to say no, 1 minute, 2 minutes, etc. And normally I set it up to no, because it always takes a few seconds to reply anyways. The next option is the answer in the second level. That means that anybody that comments on somebody else's comment, they're still gonna get an auto reply from your post. And lastly, if you would just want the system to reply one time to that same person, you check that box, and so that person will only get one auto response. All right, so now let's go test it out. When I look at the page as a visitor, and then I'm gonna go into the post. All right, I'm gonna comment on the post with the word join, and let's type it, enter, and within a few seconds we're gonna see the auto response. So there it is. We got an auto response with the link, and then I can follow. The people that will get this message can click on the link and follow to wherever you send them. So in this case, I'm gonna send them to the webinar, and there's the website, the registration. So now that I'm back to the admin area view, I can see on see response, and it's gonna take me to the messenger where I can either follow up or send more messages, or see the messages that have been sent to that person. So Facebook also offers some type of autoresponder. It's very basic though. So let's go to settings, and then we're gonna go to messaging, and if we scroll down, you'll see that there's a show greeting. It's on and off. We can change the message, but it doesn't allow us to use any kind of keywords for the comments. So everybody's gonna get the same message with an auto respond. We can go to the automated response area, and we can have an away message, or we can have an instant reply. But again, it doesn't let us use any kind of keywords. It's just a message, and that's it. You can use their name, you can customize it to their name, but it's just gonna answer it to everybody that types on that comment. You can set up an away message, and the instant reply, but no option to use keywords. And under the Messenger platform, you can see the connected apps, and you'll be able to remove it and see what kind of permissions your auto post app has. So now I'm gonna deselect the use condition and answer only once. That way we can test it out. It should answer to all messages since it's not gonna use the condition. So if I go back here and I type anything besides, I'm gonna switch views. to view as a visitor. I'm gonna comment on it, and I'm gonna type something besides the word join. So within a few seconds, we're gonna get an auto response, and there it is. So since we didn't have the option to check for keywords, it doesn't matter what we type because we didn't have the condition set up. Now we're gonna go back and add a second rule, because maybe we want to have a message to auto answer to everybody. And so we're gonna say hi, grab their first name, and we're gonna give them saying this is an automated message and you didn't type the keyword, so we need you to type the keyword. So this is an automated system. If you like to get a link, just type the keyword that we said to type join. And so this one, since we don't have a condition, is gonna go out to everybody. And then I'll send you the link. This is it forces people to type the keyword. I'm gonna hit save. And let's go back to Facebook to test it out. I'm gonna type a comment that doesn't include the keyword join. And it's gonna hit the second rule. And boom, we got the auto reply right there. So one cool trick about this is using the hashtag for their comments. So you ask people to comment with the hashtag, for example, hashtag join. And then what happens is that you can use the hashtag. People are going to type the hashtag on Facebook comments. And so you're going to be able, everybody that goes and searches for the hashtag join, they're going to see your post. Even people that have no idea who you are, they're just going to find it. So let's test it out. We're going to type hashtag join, and boom, we got the link. And then the benefit again is the hashtag is going to show up in the Facebook the results with the hashtag in it. So there you have it. That's the Facebook auto answer tool, and we call it a dumb bot because you can only answer one time. Every comment you get an answer. It's not like a regular chatbot where you can answer back and forth multiple times. This one is just one answer back to the user. So go in there, set up some rules, and make it work for your site.